Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? Well, I hope you're all doing very well, and I'm going to try, and it will probably fail, but I'm going to try to do a get ready with me using, making it a dual tutorial with the new makeup that I got from um, L'Oreal the other day on my haul. So I'm going to get right to it. I will tell you that I did go back and I got a lip product from, it was from L'Oreal. It's, I ended up getting more of a corally pink than goes with this. So I'm not going to use that with today's makeup. So what will I use instead? Let's see, what else did I get? I went back and I got that, and then I also got some of the Super Stays, which is another product I really love, as y'all know. And I also got, I always have to have me some Maybelline. This is going to be L'Oreal and Maybelline because I had to get my Instant Age Rewind in clear, even though that is a COVID-19 stock up because I've got that already. And same thing here. I've also got a 2-pack of the Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes from Neutrogena. So I got those products. And what else did I get? One more thing. Oh, the Sally Hansen Pure Vegan plant-based nail polish color. I don't know why. I already got what I need, but it's number 250 Pink Sapphire, and I'm going to paint my toes with it. So there. So anyway, because I went back and I got some other colors, I bet you one of these is more pink. It is. Okay, so 24, a Super Stay 24 color is a Maybelline product actually, and this is color number 080 in Infinite Petal. And that looks very pinky, so that's probably what I'll wear today. But then I also went ahead and got number 045 Wear on Wildberry, which is a little more like my Chanel Soft Rose. And then I also got, this is also very similar to that, and this is number 55, I think. Yes, 55, which is Perpetual Plum. These colors do not properly describe it. That is not plum at all, y'all. That is not plum. Oh, it's more rust. Plum to me is a deep purple. What is plum to y'all? Well, maybe not. Some plums. Actually, a plum is kind of peachy. Peaches and plums. Okay, but out of all these, I'm feeling like the one to go with today. I don't know, maybe the middle one? I'm going to go with a more pinky one today. So, let's just get that out. Alright, so what we got the other day was the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. And let's just see how this looks. First of all, let me give it a good shake. Because if it's a gloomy lotion, Lumi lotion, it's going to have stuff that's got to probably mix. Now, in the background, the reason I said this would likely fail, in the background, there is, I'm going to put this, actually I don't normally do this, but I'm going to put this on my hand to apply to my face. Okay. Normally, I try to watch for the color, the noise in the background. So I'm just applying this lotion, by the way, with a makeup brush. A Flathead Kabuki. This is my F80, I believe. Yep, Sigma Beauty F80. Because I'm going to treat this like a makeup today. And it's just going to give me an all-over glowingness. It's just a glow lotion. Now you may be wondering, Beth, why are you doing that? Because I'm not putting on a heavy foundation day. It's Saturday. I'm just headed up to my dad's to take him some groceries. And I just don't want to put on a lot of makeup today. So I'm going to use the lotion as my foundation. And what's left on my hand, I'm just going to rub off on my head. So how does that look? Yeah, it's just kind of a little brightening. You know, I think just for the sake of it, just for the test of it, I'm going to put on double. So I'm going to put on that much more. Because it isn't a foundation, I'm going to... See how it does seem to have a tint, though? There. this side anyway. Either side. There we go. Okay. That's interesting because when I put this on the second time, it almost seemed to have a color. Did y'all notice that? Any leftover, I'm just going to put on myself. There's no line, so it's not an actual color. It's just a glow. Okay. Actually, I think that works for today. Maybe we don't always have to do heavy foundation. Maybe we just put on a glowing lotion that kind of gives us a sense of brightness and an all over. What foundation is supposed to do is to give you a foundation to work from, a canvas to work from. So if a glowing all over look works, we'll see if it works. Okay, now I'm going to use the Radiance Cheek Duo, and this is in color 204, Pretty in Plum. This is plum again. Wait a minute, maybe I should just use a plum color over here instead of the pinky one. Plus, is that what? Perpetual Plum. I'm doing it. We're going to use that. That does not look like plum to me. That looks like plum. I guess I'm thinking of a raisin or a prune. Maybe a plum is more like a peach. Anyway. Okay, so this is 204, Pretty in Plum. And this is more peachy toned. So I got fooled by my name again because that is so peachy. Look. It's peach. Well, I am kind of wearing a warm shirt today, so I guess it'll work, whatever. Alright, so I'm going to use this little, kind of a contour brush, so it's probably not the best thing to use, but I'm going to kind of use it almost in a circular motion, but right in the contour area. Woo, look at that white. Y'all, I got my hair appointment this coming week, and, you know, they take your temperature at the door. It's actually every 12 feet. It's not 6 feet. It's every station, and they're more than 6 feet apart. I feel for the girls, because you know that means, yeah, this has definitely got a rusty undertone, which will not typically work for me. This is almost like a contouring color. Yep. Remember to blow out your nose when you get the end of your nose. If you want to do the end of your nose. I always do because I have a large nose. And instead of trying to do dark colors down the side, which honestly to me only makes it worse. It really does. I know that's the industry standard. It does not work for me. It just looks like I have a big brown striped nose. And we're just going to do a little contouring right under here to kind of give us a little, and then blend it down real good, right from, especially from right there at the jowl. Both sides. It's a nice little, you don't want to have a stripe there, so always blend it down real good. Watch your earring. Lean out so you don't get your earring. Right there on the little jowl. And then right in the middle. Right where that little fatty drops down. Make sure you come all the way down, y'all. So you don't just have even a blush blending line. And then certainly on the end of the chin. So to me, this is not really a blush product. This is a contour product because of the color. And I'm definitely going to have to tone down what I started because it didn't work. That's okay. That's what you learn sometimes. Now see, as I'm twirling it like this, it's getting pinker. Or maybe my face is getting redder. And I am going to get the nose bone with it. And the end of the chin with it real good. Yeah, I got to blend that out a little bit. Matter of fact, I have to really blend that out. It got too muddy back here. If you'll notice what I did, I switched to a brush that had nothing on it, so it wouldn't look so, okay, no, I took it off right there. That's interesting. I guess I can slightly do that to get some of it off the brush, because now I need to do that again. Well, it's just not doing well. I'm not finding good coverage, but maybe it has to do with the lotion, because the thing about lotion is going to make your makeup stick, so it's not going to be even. That's why I like powder. And the other reason I like powder, even though I've been trying out cream blushes and stuff like that, cream blushes, is because you have better coverage. I mean, you have better control with it. You know? There. Yeah. And you don't have any sticking. Matter of fact, when you put powder down and then you put something over that, that keeps it from sticking. So I guess I should have powdered my face before I did this. That would have been the answer. Now I just think it's time to put this lip stuff on, and there's just no telling how orange this is going to make me look. This is a very hard top to get off. Well, that means nobody's been in there before, right? Y'all. There's something you always got to remember when you're looking at a color. Look how pink my lips are, but look at the container, how it is more orange tone, brown tone. Not orange tone, rust. And yet my lips look almost pink. This color is good. This color looks like my Chanel color. Okay. So this is why I said it could be a fail. Do you hear that big noise in the background? They're taking trees down in my neighbor's yard at 0:30 in the morning. Okay, I actually like this color now. It's not orangey at all. But I feel like the blush is. Also, so this dries real quickly. It's it feels like it's drying, like a drying product, and that's why on the other end you have this little moisturizer, and I think it's just a petroleum stick. Feels like Vaseline. Shines it, sets it, moisturizes it. That's a keeper, y'all. And that again is color number